Hi friends, today I am going to discuss costing in that joint and byproduct chapter. Okay friends, let's move on into the chapter. First of all, see the joint products. See for example, CA Inter for coaching group 1 coaching 50,000 rupees. Okay, in group 1 accounts law costing DT. Okay, direct tax. In CA processing output knowledge. Okay, knowledge in accounts law costing tax. Okay, when two or more products of the relatively equal importance and value are produced from a process is called joint product. Okay, all the subjects have equal importance. Okay, and see the next byproducts. Byproducts means ancillary products produced in addition to main products. Okay, and see in process account material to labor to overheads. Finished goods, by finished good main product. Okay, by byproduct ancillary product. Okay, see for example, apple skin produced while processing apple into apple juice. This apple skin is byproduct, apple juice main product. Okay, see the treatment of byproducts and see units of byproduct will be credited to process account along with its NRV. Okay, NRV means estimated sale price minus further processing cost minus selling and distribution expenses. Okay, now I am going to discuss methods of distribution of joint cost among joint products. Okay, first method, physical quantity method or unit method. See for example, crude oil cost 1 lakh. Okay, petrol, diesel. Petrol 500 units, diesel 500 units. Now the joint cost is distributed on the basis of units. Okay, so 50,000 for petrol, 50,000 for diesel. Okay, on the basis of units ratio. Okay, physical quantity method or unit method. And see the next method, sale value of output or market value of output method. Sale value of output method or market value of output method. Okay, see for example, crude oil cost 1 lakh. Okay, at the split of point market value or sale value, so in this case product is immediately sold after split off. Okay, at market value or sale value. And see the next method, final sale value of output method. And see, for example, product split of A, B, C. And see product here split of point. Okay. And see here further process. Final sale value, joint cost. See for example, A, B, C, D. Output 300, 200, 300, 200. Okay. Selling price at split off. 100, 120, 80, 200. Okay. And the next selling price after split off. 180, 200, 150, not applicable. Okay. And final sale value 90,000, 40,000, 45,000, 40,000. And see the joint cost 1,07,500. Okay. Now here the joint cost is distributed on the basis of final sale value ratio, 90:40:45:40. Okay. So share in joint cost 45,000, 20,000, 22,500, 20,000. Okay. And see the next method, NRV, net realizable value method. And see here estimated final sale value of output, for example 50. Okay, less estimated further processing cost 10. Okay, and the next estimated selling and distribution expenses 20. Okay, net realizable value 20. Joint cost distribution. Okay. And so the next method, average unit cost method. Total output of joint products. For example, P1 plus P2 plus P3. These all are joint products. Okay. And see, average cost or unit. Joint cost divided by total output. Okay. See for example, joint cost 60,000. A, B, C units 500, 200, 300. So total 1000. So average cost or unit, joint cost 60,000. Total output 1000. Okay. So 60. So now A 500 into 60, 30,000. B 200 into 60, 12,000. And C 300 into 60, 18,000. So total 60,000. This is the average cost method. Okay. And see the next, contribution margin method. And see, joint cost, variable cost, fixed cost. Okay, variable cost, quantity, output. Okay, and fixed cost, contribution margin, quantity output distributed in the ratio of physical quantity. Okay, and contribution margin, sale value minus variable cost. Okay, and see, for example, find out the joint products A and B using contribution margin method from the datum. Sales 100 kg at the rate of 60 sales. B 120 kg at the rate of 30. Okay, and see the next, joint cost. This joint products and joint cost, marginal cost 4,400 and fixed cost 3,900 rupees. Okay, marginal cost nothing but variable cost. Okay, now see the solution. Distribution of marginal cost. Distribution of marginal cost 4,400. Marginal cost of product A 100 divided by total 220 into 4,400. Okay, 2,000 distributed in the ratio of physical quantity. Okay, B 120 divided by 220 into 4,400, 2,400. Okay, and see the next, calculation of contribution margin. Contribution margin, sale value minus variable cost. See, AB sale value 1000 kgs at the rate of 60, 6,000, 120 into 30, 3,600. Okay, variable cost 2,000, 2,400. Okay, and contribution margin 6,000 minus 2,000, 4,000. Okay, 3,600 minus 2,400, 1,200. This is the contribution margin method. And see, distribution of fixed cost. Distribution of fixed cost. Fixed cost for product A 40 divided by 52 into 3,900. 3,900. Okay, 4,000 divided by 5,200. Okay, and the next 12 52 into 3,900. Okay, this is 3,000 and this is 9,000. Okay, and see the next, reverse cost method. See, in reverse cost method, joint products and byproducts. And see, product 1 at split of A, B, C cost 60,000. Okay, split off A, B, C 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Okay, this is step 5. Now add further processing cost. Further processing cost 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay, this is step 4. 21,000, 21,000 and 21,000. Okay, this is step 3. 1 minus 2. Okay, plus profit 2100, 2100, 2100. Okay, 23,100 selling price. Okay, 23,100, 23,100. This is step 2 and this is step 1. Okay, this is the reverse cost method. Okay, okay friends, joint and byproducts chapter is over. Mainly we finished in that physical quantity method, sale value of output method or market value of output method, and the next one final sale value of output method, and the next one NRV. Okay, and the next one average unit cost method, and the next one contribution margin method, and the next one reverse cost method. Okay, these all are the methods. Distribution of joint cost among joint products. Okay, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, all the best. Do well, prepare well. Bye bye.